Need to add video transition in InShot? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily add video transition. Start by heading over to your application InShot. Tap on video. And then from the gallery, select any of the video that you want to edit. Once you have selected, tap on the stick icon. Once the video has been uploaded here, now what you want to do is, you can simply split the video where you want to add the transition. Once done, now click on this icon right between the split. Tons of different transition effects will be available to you. Choose any of the specific transition that you want to add in the video. Once you've selected the transition, tap on the stick icon. And there you can see that the video transition has been successfully added. Likewise, you can add any of the transition you would like to, and then you can save the video. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.